hi again. Welcome back. With this year being an election year, I thought it would be important for us to talk about the importance of the Hatch Act. I'm not going to go into every last thing in detail around what the Hatch Act covers, but this I will tell you. It dictates how you can participate in political activity in all kinds of ways. Now, the Hatch Act applies to different categories of employees, so you'll really want to check in with your ethics office or your solicitor's office to make sure you understand all the rules. But if it's one thing I do know is that you're going to want to know the rules. So, there are different rules that apply, as I mentioned, to different categories of employees. But did you know that you could even be violating the Hatch Act simply by going on social media and liking or sharing or clicking on a political post, even if you're on your own mobile device or on an authorized break or teleworking? Well, you could be. So that's why it's important for you to check in and understand the rules. So if you have examples or ideas or stories on resources and tips that other people could benefit from, or maybe your agency has published some really nifty ways for employees to stay in the clear during this political season, why don't you comment here? And as always, if you have any topics, ideas, suggestions, or feedback on things you want to hear about, please feel free to weigh in on the comments or reach me at mika@govloop.com. And of course, you can always find me on social media. I'm probably there.